Don Luskin, how much are profits going to fall? We're going to get some profit shoes falling. There's no two ways about it. What's your take on that? How do you see the world?
I think forward earnings are going to probably fall a little bit. They've already fallen about 0.5% just in the last 3 weeks. But I don't think actual earnings are going to fall at all. Right now, earnings a year from now are forecasted to be 20% higher than they are today. So if they're just flat for a year, that's going to be a 20% disappointment for the market. And what do you know? The market's down 20% in the last 3 months. So I don't think, people are just throwing around numbers like they're saying that S&P earnings is going to be 75. We're just down like 20% actual, trailing over the next year. It's just not going to happen. We're not going to have that kind of recession. Yeah,
but it's not unreasonable. If you're at $95 to $100 a share on the S&P, $80 a share is not unreasonable. This looks like a recession. I may be wrong about that.
Larry, it's very unreasonable. There hasn't, other than the last recession, there hasn't been a recession in 30 years where profits are down that much.
Well, $80 a share would still be a reasonably good historical number, Don.
Well, not if you go from 100 to 80. That's a 20% drop.
Well, the market's down 17%. 20%.
Well, my point exactly, Larry.
Market.
So any smaller drop is going to be good for stocks because it's already discounted.
All right.